Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express the following equation in the gradient intercept form. Okay, so what form is this? This simply means that they want to see it as y equals to mx plus c, where from the equation I could see the gradient, I also could see the y-intercept. Okay, so part A requires us to do some algebraic manipulation. The very first one would be I will minus x on both sides and I will add 8 on both sides such that I'm left with this negative x plus 8. Thereafter, I'm going to divide by negative 4 on both sides. So all divide by negative 4. So that I'm left with y here. Negative 1x divided by negative 4. I will actually get a positive 1 over 4x. Positive 8 divided by negative 4. I will get negative 2. And part A is done. So for part B, you would then see the answer, the gradient and the y-intercept. So gradient is equals to 1/4, whereas the y-intercept is negative 2. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.